Hello guys, I got a brand new update for you. This time around is a TRX mining sites where you can be earning like 3% of your deposits daily, and if you're a good affiliate marketer you can make good money with this platform. Well, I'm going to be showing you how to deposit and how to withdraw in this video. So if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Auburn Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time you are listening to my voice and it's the first time you are on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on that bell sign so you get notifications each time I upload brand new updates and videos that can help you. So let's go into the video. 1, 2, let's. All right guys, so quickly before we go any further, if you want to join this platform, there's a link in the description of this video. You need to go down below, click on it, then you sign up. You use your number to sign up, you log in, you put your password with they'll ask you for a fund password, or I think transfer password also. You put it and make sure it's password that you can remember, not something so complicated. So make it easy for yourself in order not to have problems trying to withdraw your money. So okay, quickly I'm going to show you how to deposit first of all on this platform. Then I will later show you how we can withdraw from it, and I will also show you how you can make some money doing affiliate marketing with this platform. So let's go first of all with the deposit. You go over here, click on deposit, transfer basic. We choose the transfer basic, look for the transfer basic. Then all you need to do now is copy this address. Yes, click on it, copied. So you go to your wallet now. Let me go to my wallet. It's my wallet, all right, trust wallet. Go to my wallet. I think I have I have 30 Tron over here. So I will send this, paste. All I need to do is paste the address over here, then I'll click on max. Okay, then I send, we'll continue. Okay, due to the fee, wow, network fee 1 Tron. Okay, so I confirm, then okay, now it's gone. So I just want to wait for this pending button to leave. I mean this particular pending. Okay, now I think it's gone. Confirm. So now we go back to the platform here, and you need to click on recharge completed here. Now don't forget the minimum to recharge here is 5 Tron. Minimum is 5 Tron. So anything, and all you do is you receive 3% of your deposit daily. So that's how it works. So now all right, let's continue. Deposit, okay, recharge any number of all right. So we just have to wait for the 28 Tron to reflect on the balance. Then I'm gonna show you how to withdraw from it. Let me just wait. I'll pause this video and wait till it comes back. All right, so I just refreshed the page and I saw it 28.9 on my balance. Okay, all right, it's there. I just refreshed again and you can see. So now all we need to do is to go back home. Close this first. Now when you come back home, now we need to just go. All we need to do now is to withdraw. 3% of what we just deposited. Yes. Now to withdraw Let me see. You can see over here, I'm to withdraw 3% of whatever I deposited. So I deposited 28 tron, let's say 29, you know. You saw it what I deposited anyway. So I'm going to be withdrawing, this is the 3% of it, which is 0.86 tron per day. So I can withdraw it right away if I want. So what is there is, the higher your deposit, the higher your withdrawal. So it's left for you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you how to use this system to make some extra cash, to take advantage of it and make some extra cash. So that right now, let's continue basic account. Okay, so all you need to do is write the amount 0.86. okay, the address, oh sorry, I have to go back now to my address and copy my wallet address and paste it. Okay, receive, copy, go back, then we'll paste it here, address. Okay, now you enter your security password. I told you when you were signing up they'll ask you for that, so let me put mine. I'm gonna cover it, you don't have to see it. Okay, I'm done. Then confirm. Let's see, submit success. It was successful. Then in no time we should have it in our wallet. Okay, I think I just got that. You heard this bell, that is it over here. It just got in now, received in my wallet. Okay, let me still show you the wallet. So it's I think it's better that way. Let's go back, wait a while. Boom. All right, that is it. So withdrawal in my wallet already, you can see it yourself. So that's how to withdraw and deposit and withdraw quickly. Now you can, instead of using the site, you can go ahead and download the application here. All you need to do is come over here and click on the app, you to download it. You make, if you prefer using the website, you can go ahead and continue to use the website, if both are okay anyway. So like I said earlier on, that if you are good in affiliate, if you are good in affiliate in networking, honestly you can build your team. If you can build your team, you're gonna be making a lot of money with this application. You see, level 1, level 2, level 3, and each of them have their percentage you can get from every team built under you, you know. So guys, you can make good money with it if you are good in networking. So from between the promo account and the normal wallet is, from the normal wallet you can withdraw only once, and which is your 3% per day you can withdraw. But from the promotional account you can withdraw anytime and any amount. There's any amount you can withdraw from it. So that's the difference between the two. But it's left for you how good you are on the affiliate marketing system, how to network. If you know how to network, how to connect people, you can make extra cash using that promotion account. So guys, that's how it works, how you can make some extra cash with this platform. So if you enjoy what I just showed you and you want to be part of it, there's a link in the description. First of all, go down below, click it and sign up on this application. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell sign for notification each time I upload a brand new update. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This is something that is going to help this channel grow and also motivate me to do more for you guys. So I see you again in the next video. 1, 2, let's go. Ciao.